Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use an if statement in Python. So an if statement basically lets you check a condition, and if that condition's true, it's going to execute the lines of code inside the if statement, and then you can do an else to check if another condition is true, and then a final else statement for if none of the above conditions are true. And if there's not an else statement, then I'll just exit to the rest of the code. So first off, I'm just going to ask the user for their input. I want to get them to enter FR to greet in French or EN to greet in English. Then based on whatever greeting option is entered, so if greeting option is equal to FR, then I'm wanting to print out bonjour because I want to greet them in French. Else if the greeting option is equal to English, then I want to print hello because I'm greeting them in English. You can have as many else ifs as you want, but only one if to start the if statement and one final else. Cool. So if it's anything else, it's an invalid input. I just want to tell the user so. And I'll just show them what that invalid option was, just so that they know for the future that that's not valid. That's F just as string formatting, which allows my variable to be inside there. So I've got my prompt and I'm going to enter in FR and it prints out bonjour. Now if I do the same again and enter EN, it'll print out hello. And finally, if I do the same again and enter something that's not an option, it will tell me that that's an invalid option. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial today, and if you have, please like and subscribe for more content.